Alright, this is a Taylor's 041 hob that I have taken off of the stove, and I've never taken one apart and cleaned one before, and this one was shockingly bad. To take it apart, you must first remove the screw that holds on the cap, and then this piece will come off by itself. It has a male end that goes into this little hole here to hold it in place, and then the cap goes all the way down to the bottom. Now, this was filled with so much dirt that these screw holes were completely filled, and this little air vent hole was filled. And what I had to do was drill this out and drill this out. And once I was able to drill it out, then you can see that there was a gasket here that's now destroyed. And this is how you remove it from this stainless steel plate, but I'm not sure if I'm even going to do that. I think I'm just going to clean it. I'm going to leave these pegs here because I'm not using this on a boat, so I don't need it to stay in case of rocking of a boat. Now this one on the other side, let me reassemble this real quick. This piece first, and this piece next, and then this piece on top. And now this one I thought was kind of interesting because when you align it properly with this peg in this hole over here, the electric piezo has damaged this brass. Now the top cap is missing. I've ordered a generic one, and I'm going to drill a hole in it. So I'm hoping that this will work and continue to work. I think I'm going to sand this down. And also of interest is that it doesn't sit very properly. If you look on this side, I'm going to turn it around. You can see that it has some major gaposis over here. So something has happened to this poor stove to make the brass this damaged. So I'm going to try to see if I can warm this up and smack it with a hammer on my anvil. Try to get that a little better fitting, because I really don't want to replace these unless absolutely necessary. The bottoms, you can see where they're at, they plug in specifically to the gas lines that are currently there, and I want to keep them. I don't want to have to rebuild new gas lines or send this to a repair shop to have them build new gas lines. These are perfectly usable now that they're cleaner, and yeah, the air vent, everything seems fine. It was just disgustingly filthy that all these holes were filled up with crud. In fact, this poor oven, there's so much crud in it, it's just not funny. It's like, I don't know. It's sad that someone can live in such filth, but that's just how some people are. Alright, that is my video on these Taylor's hobs. I can't seem to find any information about them on the internet, and I can't seem to find replacements that fit into these perfect square holes either. So yeah, we'll see what happens if I need a whole brand new hob, then I'll just have to jerry rig something together.